Today, we conducted another round of testing on the new caramel cutting machine and tasted the candies we produced. We're pleased to report that they turned out delicious. Rest assured, there were no issues with design flaking during the cutting process. Let's kick off by discussing the calibration system. RE-A65 Rex's calibration technology and suspension system offer maximum flexibility. It's an innovative process solution that ensures peak productivity and adaptability for all types of sausages. This machine can handle up to 8,000 kcal per hour, cutting vegetables, fruits, and other foods into blocks, strips, or slices from 9 to 220 millimeters. It's truly impressive. The high-speed packaging machine FM500 achieves a remarkable production speed of up to 250 packs per minute in MAP. It features an easy open system with adhesive labeling, ensuring consumers can effortlessly open the package. SealPak's tray sealing machine stands out as a reliable and efficient choice for sealing needs in diverse packaging applications. With its robust design and advanced features, it provides quick and dependable sealing for a wide range of products. Whether you're packaging food items, pharmaceuticals, or other goods, this machine offers flexibility and reliability. Despite being a small business, I initially had concerns, but I'm pleasantly surprised by the hygienic process of the product. Therefore, I feel confident in making the purchase safely. It's quite amusing to discover that the snack is not only delicious, but also produced in a remarkably clean environment. This revelation adds an extra layer of assurance, knowing that the product's production process adheres to stringent cleanliness standards. What's the rationale behind the practice of placing rice cakes atop cooked rice? Thank you for tuning into our video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for an abundance of captivating and satisfying content in the future. Introducing the OTC-RX Nano Egg Beating Machine, a powerhouse that can break up to 3,400 eggs per hour. Not only does it offer impressive speed, but it also allows users to separate yolks from whites simultaneously. Equipped with an automatic gravity-fed feeding system and specially designed rollers, the automated cheese cutting and packaging line embodies intelligence, simplicity, and flexibility, fully embracing advancements in food technology to streamline processes. I've had the pleasure of experiencing this particular type of water, and I must say, it's truly exceptional in every aspect. From its refreshing taste to its impeccable purity, the electric peeling machine DES is incredibly versatile. It can even expertly peel the tough skin off pumpkins, making it an indispensable tool for various food. The video showcases the robotic packaging solution tailored by PWR for Yummy Bakery in Belgium. This innovative system efficiently retrieves and places folded pastries into the heat-shaping machine, demonstrating its precision and effectiveness in streamlining bakery operations. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing and modern technologies content. Have you ever encountered a tomato packaging machine boasting such modernity and innovation? It's truly a marvel to behold.